Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the prompts you can use to create highly engaging video scripts for your legal business. You can write these video scripts to create adverts, or you can write them to create very engaging organic content that you can use on your social media or on a YouTube channel. You can see which of those organic posts work best, and then you can use those organic posts as video ads. All in all, what this does is it uses AI prompts in ChatGPT or Claude to do 80-90% of the heavy lifting and get us to a result faster. Then you can massage a little bit and add in what it is that you want to add in. Maybe you want to say something different, or maybe you want to change the tonality or the way that it's delivered. You can also use ChatGPT or Claude to do that. It does a phenomenal job. And I have prompts that you'll be able to get in the blueprint. If you haven't got the blueprint already, by the way, you can just click the link below this video and you'll be able to get yourself a copy. If you have got the copy and that's why you're watching this video and you've gone from the document to this video, well, then this is to explain to you how to use it, and you'll already be looking at the document. So there's 5 prompts within the document that we're looking at over here, and you'll see that there's the initial business profile prompt. And this basically sets your firm up in the mind of ChatGPT or Claude, telling the AI what it is that you do so that it can first build a profile on your business. Thereafter, we go to one of these 2 scripts. I am using this first script for this example, which is the 4Ws script. This is one of my favorite for advertisements, and it's the one that I use the most. And you may have seen, if you have a copy of this blueprint because you've seen one of my adverts, you will see that I spoke about that in one of the adverts. But I also do use the 3 C's: call out, content, call to action. It's a simple framework, and this is oftentimes where you might share valuable information about your service or what it is that you do, and you may share it as a testimonial or as a case study, or you may just tell a story and show people how you can solve their problem. That's where the 3 C's framework really comes in. But for the purpose of this, I'm going to use the 4Ws script. And then here's some extra prompts you could also use. You could use customization and to the prompt, and you can change tone or your target or what it is, target emotion that it is that you want to use, and you can tweak the script a little bit and come up with different outputs. That is very, very helpful. And I use ChatGPT more now. I use both of the 2 AIs, and I mix between the 2 of them. Sometimes I find they go through periods of time where one's better than the other. And we're at a stage at the moment, I think ChatGPT has really caught up with writing things like advertising scripts, whereas a little while back, a lot of people were giving the opinion that Claude was possibly a better example of this. I am more inclined to use ChatGPT at the moment, but I have both of them. Now, here's an interesting thing. I would consider getting the paid subscription for both of these if you don't already have the paid subscription. It is a tiny investment to make for a far better output and a far better AI. So it's $20 or whatever it may be. Maybe in Australian it's $22. It may be slightly less in US dollars depending on where you are. Nonetheless, it is an absolute bargain for the extra output and quality of output that you do get. So let's go to ChatGPT first, and you'll see I have already just prompted it, or got the prompt ready, should I say, so that I didn't bore you with the details, but I took that prompt and I rewrote it, and I've put in a fictitious name, Sunshine Legal Group, and we're in Miami, Florida, and our niche is personal injury, and our target audience is individuals in Florida who have been injured in a car accident and need legal representation to seek compensation. Our USPs: we've recovered $10 million for car accident victims in the last 5 years and offer a no-win, no-fee guarantee. So you just put in whatever figure it is or whatever your USP is. I actually got ChatGPT to just give me a USP here for the sake of this example. But you'd put in what it is that really sets you apart. What is the gap in the market that your service covers, So you put that in there and really give some thought to your USP. Here is a pro tip. You can get AI first to really tease out your USP first and really nail that down. Specific goals. Tone and style, empathetic and authoritative. Specific goals for ad. Generate leads by encouraging viewers to book a free consultation with one of our experienced team of personal injury lawyers. We could actually change that now that I'm thinking about it. Generate leads by encouraging viewers of the ad on social media to leave their details below the ad or contact us via Messenger on Facebook or Instagram. Let's see what that does. So oftentimes with the ads that I would run, and you may have seen some of these ads, these square ads here. I don't want to rub anything out. These square ads over here and these 5x4 framework ads are very good on Instagram and on Facebook. They get an incredible amount of attention. These ones here call people out. So we're speaking directly to the perfect audience. These ones do as well. Those headlines really call people out of their sleepy doom scroll and pull them into your world, especially if something has happened to them and we're speaking directly to the problem that they're already experiencing. As the great copywriters say, the conversation that's already happening in their mind, the thing that's keeping them awake at night, it speaks to them and calls them out, and that then gets them to watch the video. That's what we're writing the script for. When they watch the video, our messaging really dials in and the algorithm starts learning. Okay, so what we are doing here with these is we are asking them to leave their details in a Facebook lead form ad. I really encourage my clients to first start using a lead form ad before they start directing traffic to a landing page, because you can learn so much quicker and the ad accounts can learn so much quicker just by great messaging, great scripting, fantastic headlines, and speaking directly to the perfect audience. And they can just leave their details right there on Facebook without leaving the platform. Facebook likes this because they keep people on their platform. You end up really educating the Facebook ad algorithm, the ad account algorithm really quickly on that ad account, and everyone is a winner in the initial stages. And then from there, you can gradually scale up and get to landing pages or assessments or different tools to get a higher quality lead. Okay, so in this instance, I want them to leave their details in the form below or message me directly on social media. Now, in the ads that I do use for our firm operating in Australia, we specialize in total and permanent disability and insurance. I do this all the time. These are brands that I run so that I can demonstrate to clients of mine who I am helping with developing their ads processes and their lead generation. These brands are brands that I run to demonstrate that. But within our own firm on a day-to-day basis, I use this a lot. I tell people, leave me a message below or leave me your details below or send me a message here on Facebook. So let's see where we are with that. We changed that. Generate leads by encouraging viewers of the ad on social media to leave their details below the ad or contact us via Messenger on the Facebook or Instagram. Preferred script framework, use the 4 W's, who, what, why, what's next framework, which we have added in here. So we tell them what it is. So let's see what happens. And so we prompt that in, Sunshine Legal Group video ad script. There it says, okay, now this is the thing that the AI will do a lot of the time. It will actually start giving you an idea around how you can create the edit. Background, somber music fades in, visuals of a car accident scene. So it's seeing this from a viewpoint of you actually creating an ad with a team of video editors and people like that. Okay, so it's giving you a lot of the ideas around creating the video and how you would run that ad shoot. What you can do is we can say, please write the ad in a block of text. Don't type whilst recording videos. On a block of text so it can be read on a teleprompter or committed to memory. No need for the other scripting advice at this point. The beauty about large language models is that it really thinks like we speak, and you can just talk to it like that. Just tell it to write it out as a text block. So there it comes as a text block. That's going to be your script. If you've been injured in a car accident in Florida, you're probably dealing with pain, mounting bills, and pushy insurance companies trying to minimize your claim. You don't have to face this alone. At Sunshine Legal Group, we specialize in helping car accident victims like you get the compensation you deserve. With over 10 million recovered in the last 5 years, our team fights tirelessly to hold at-fault drivers and insurance companies accountable, all while offering a no-win, no-fee guarantee. Time is critical. Florida law limits how long you have to file your claim, and waiting could mean losing the compensation you're entitled to for your medical bills, lost wages, and more. Don't wait another moment. Contact Sunshine Legal Group today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Leave your details below this ad or send us a message now on Facebook or Instagram. Let us help you get the justice you deserve. Now, you can just massage that script a tiny bit. This is going to give you a perfect 45-second to 1 minute script that you can use for Facebook and Instagram ads, and it will absolutely guarantee to hands down beat majority of other scripts out there. You would add in, obviously, things that are pertinent to your USP, as we mentioned above, but you're going to come up with a script that is going to be far better than most things that anyone else is going to get for you. And also, it's going to stop you from having to stare at a blank screen going, what am I going to write here? What am I going to say? And just facing that writer's block. These tools are phenomenal, and they just get you across the line and just start showing you what's possible. From there, you can go, I can see where this is going, but I don't like what they've said here, or that's not actually true, and that doesn't apply where I am, or whatever it may be. And that's when you start massaging things a little bit. And then you can go back and you can take the 3 C's framework and you can add that in, and you can do a different script. As I said, the 3 C's work really well for telling a story about something, and you can use that for organic content. Here we have tone customization, where you can rewrite the script with the following tone or style, and then you can change it and add in what it is that you would like to, how you would like to apply it to the prompt, as well as I said, the target emotion. And you can generate variations of the script based on the provided frameworks, 3 C's or the 4 W's, obviously. So this is explaining how you would be able to change things. And you could go and do exactly the same within Claude. Now, to save you having to watch me go through all that again, I inputted it here already. And strangely enough, Claude also gave me the whole idea around the video shoot, what I should do. It gave me technical notes, a shot list, key emotional triggers. These things are incredibly useful if you do want to go to this level of depth and you are hiring in a camera team or whatever the case may be. But I would advise you to not worry about doing that. I would advise you to just get the script together, and there is the script from Claude and the Claude version, and have a look at the two of them and see which is better, and start playing around with the different outputs and what it is that you get. As I said, you are going to have to massage things depending on your numbers. This is just ChatGPT, just gave me that prompt, and you would have to massage things obviously to suit your firm and what it is that you offer. But this can be tailored to suit any firm, whether you're in family law or whether you specialize in medical negligence or MVA or PI or real estate or immigration. These scripts work for all of them. And so you just go in and you just go put in what your USP is and go put your details into that first prompt and plug it in and see what the two of these and how they vary and what they come back to you with. And then once you've got them, you take that as a text block and you are ready to start recording your video. Now, I have in the blueprint other details about how to get your video recorded and what you can do and how you can take that information and use a online platform like Fiverr or Upwork or onlinejobs.ph. I use that a lot, and I actually hire a lot of my team there, and a lot of creative work I get done with people that work with me on a permanent basis. But you can go to any one of these outsourcing and gig platforms, and you can get someone who'd be able to create the video for you and edit it all for you. And in the blueprint, I go through and I explain later on in the blueprint the different frameworks you should use, and you can take this and copy and paste this and put it into the instructions. The instructions are in here as well, and there will be another video on the channel. You can just find that video and have a look at exactly how I go into set up these projects on Fiverr or on Upwork to get those videos done. And there you go, and that is the explanation of how to use it as a video lead ad in Facebook. I hope this is helpful, and you will go and start using these chat prompts in either of the two platforms and start creating video scripts for yourself. Creating videos and video scripts is really what will set you apart in the coming years, and will just build a moat around your business. Because if you're able to get on camera and start creating know, like, and trust and start being the face of your business, you will just speed ahead of the competition. They will simply not be able to compete with you. The beauty of a personal brand is that when people then get in touch with your firm or you get in touch with them, they are not just wanting to deal with a legal firm, they're wanting to deal with you. And that's what sets you apart. And you get to a point where you really have no more requirement for referrals and looking after referral networks, and you get into the business of quite simply being able to turn cold viewers on the internet and on the web and on social media and on YouTube, cold eyeballs, and bring them into your world and turn those people into clients. And when you build a machine like that for your business, you set yourself apart and you set yourself free, and all the worry is gone. And that's why I am always preaching about the first of my legal act framework, and that is attention, and that is eyeballs. Without eyeballs, we have no clients. Eyeballs means clients. And it all starts by being visible. And that's all because of creating video content where you are prepared to put yourself out there and you psych yourself up and you're enthusiastic about it enough for your business and you're prepared to do this. But this is the start of it. You need a script. So look for another video on this channel where I show you how to go to those platforms and create the videos, and also other videos on how to turn these into Facebook lead form ads. You should be able to press a button somewhere around on the video. If not, I'll leave links to that in the description, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.